say, and those are the ingredients. Oh, yeah.
Hi, and welcome back into our wonderful kitchen, onto our wonderful show on YouTube. And today, I will not tell you what it's called, but I will tell you what it has in it for the time being. So here I have 4 cloves of garlic, half a chopped onion, a pot full of olives, a big fat stick of celery, 250 grams of feta cheese, 4 pickled limes. I don't know where you can get them near you, but that's it. 4 breasts of chicken, a pint of chicken stock, and when you roughly grind all this together, this is what you land up with.
Those are the ingredients, but what's the dish?
It's called 4 skinless breasts of chicken with pickled limes.
Interesting. Lovely.
I can see where your mind is going, but no, this is perfectly innocent. Yeah.
You're coming up with these unusual names of recipes.
Well, next week's going to be prawn starnies.
I'm taking a day off on that day. So great. So these are pickled limes.
Yeah. Now, those you do get them in most Iranian or Middle Eastern shops.
Nice.
But I believe sometimes you do get them in Tesco's, but they seem to run out a lot.
Okay.
So,
and if you can't get hold of them, fresh
yeah,
limes?
lime. You just put them in salt water and leave them for a bit, and that's it. I've done it before.
And have you hammered these breasts?
Yes, I have hammered. I've hammered my 4 skinless breasts. Yes.
Brilliant. Excellent. That's good. And you could do it with a rolling pin, couldn't you? If you wanted to.
I have a hammer that I use periodically on my husband when he doesn't do the washing up, but that's another story.
Excellent. Okay. So do you want me to do anything, or should we just...
No, you just sit there and drink your cappuccino while I do the hard work, okay?
Yeah, go for it. Go for it.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is roughly chop all this stuff together, keep some of the feta cheese separate, but I'm going to just chop all this together in a choppy thing.
Yeah.
And it comes out something like that. So that's what I'm doing now.
Okay, you're going to try that. That looks lovely. Yeah. That's nice. And then what happens? Do you want me to do anything with the breasts?
No, so what we're going to do, you're just obsessed with your breasts, aren't you? I mean...
someone's got to.
I've heard a lot about this actually before. Oh dear.
Yeah. I know, it's one of those days. Eh?
I know. What can I say?
Right.
This is my chippy thing.
Okay, so celery's gone in there.
Well, the celery is not chopping, but we'll try again.
It's fine. You want it rustic? You don't want it
we're trying very rustic, as the case may be.
Chopped, I suppose. It should look like this.
What's that?
Olives. Yeah, it should look like this. So you're doing fine. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
That looks great.
I'm mixing this into my feta.
Yeah. Okay, if you haven't got one of these fancy schmancy choppers,
you just hack away at it.
Okay.
Like
yeah.
that.
Okay.
Just imagine
just like that.
It's somebody who has one thing a little bit better than you, looks better than you, talks better than you, thinks better than you, and then hack away.
Not with love.
Yeah, basically not with love. No. We don't do cooking.
So
with
it comes out like that. Yeah.
And then that goes in.
Okay, you crumble the feta cheese.
Yeah. That you do, and later I can plonk some more on the top.
Wash my hands quickly. Yeah.
Yep. Crumble away.
Okay.
I haven't additionally put salt in this because the feta is quite salty, and so is the pickled lime when we get to that. So, but I have put it as an optional ingredient here. How you doing?
So no spices in this? No spices?
Would you believe? No. There's
amazing.
Pepper. There's just
pepper,
and that's
interesting.
I think with the lime, feta, there is flavor going in there, especially the lime tends to overtake a bit.
Okay, to use this wooden spoon.
Yes, absolutely.
Why, were you going to use your hands in this?
No, I was going to use the rolling pin on you, but that's beside the
right,
point.
Okay. That's fine.
I've been known to chase people around.
Where's my agent?
Secret agent.
Yeah, non-existent name.
Yeah. He's just done a runner, hasn't he?
Or she. Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah. Right, this is all done. This is looking amazing.
Okay. So now we're going to bring this fellas in.
Okay.
Okay. And we are going to plonk loads of that there.
So coat it. Is that right?
Okay. Yeah. So I'm going to put some of this since I've done that. And that. And that. And
oil at all? Any oil?
I am coming to that.
Okay.
That's an optional as well. This is quite a healthy dish if you want it to be. Okay, you can plonk away a little bit more because I've already put some.
You
shall I just rub that with my hands?
Lovely.
Yeah, let's just give it a good old bashing.
Can you use skinless and boneless chicken thighs? Yeah, thighs.
You're a thigh person, are you? It's getting worse.
I'm actually more of a leg person.
Okay. I'm more of a horse skinless breast.
You know what? If you say that one more time, I'm leaving. Gosh. Yeah, that looks brilliant. Okay, then.
Now we get to the lime bits. Okay, so first I'm going to pour this thing in. As I said, there's salt going in as well in everything.
What kind of stock? You made this? Or?
I made the stock, but I did have to say that because there is a very, very nice stock also available in Tesco's in cans.
Okay.
And Aldi's and I don't know about Aldi's, but Lidl's for sure.
Can you use chicken stock?
That's what I've used. I have used that as well when I've run out in the past.
And what were those yellow bits?
What yellow
in
bits?
The stock? Did you
those were in. I topped up with the can. That's what I was coming down to was the can that I love so much. You get 4 different ones: vegetarian, beef, blah 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 blah.
Because was it lemon zest? Did you put lemon zest?
No, the lemon's going in now.
Okay.
So I usually cut them into 4, but I sometimes take the seeds out. If you want to give us a hand,
yes, I'll do that.
We can take the seeds out.
I'll do that.
Now there's a juice in this as well that it's so good.
It's quite tangy, this dish. Isn't it?
So that's what I said. The lemon kind of takes over. You can hack it out with your hands.
You sure? Okay.
Yeah. So
I suppose you can eat these like this. I want to try it again.
Yeah, go ahead. I've got a whole box full.
Lovely.
You love it? I love it too. I eat them on bread. Nice warm bread.
So you just tear them up like this?
Yeah, and stick them in there.
Place them.
So this dish I made up because I went to Morocco and I tried a similar dish, but a slightly more sophisticated version of this.
Okay.
A tagine. And I came home and I said, how would I make it such that I don't eat so much oil in it, so much grease in it, and the skin of the chicken? So let me try and find an alternative. And I did. And
you could add vegetables instead.
Yeah,
if
you
don't
can
want to
put
eat chicken.
Big lumps of carrots. I've done that as well. And it's very nice with couscous.
Excellent.
Or with the rice. Depends on what you prefer. Now, my friend here from India, and we were doubles partners on the tennis circuit. She's a rice person, definitely not
what kind of rice?
Bread person. What kind of rice? Any rice.
Any rice? Yeah, I love rice.
And are you a couscous person?
Oh,
yes. Okay, so I'm.
What's that? Oh, pepper. Okay.
So I'm bunging a bit of pepper. Oops.
A lot of pepper. Yeah.
Yep.
Nice.
And now the remainder
more
of it,
cheese. If in doubt, just add more cheese.
Well, no, I just put it on the top so it looks good at the end, Now, I also bung in a few extra olives.
Parsley, maybe?
I do put parsley, but I have to say something today.
Yeah.
They don't have any in the house. I had some growing out there and there's potted plants, but the only thing that didn't survive is the parsley.
Parsley. And coriander. I have problems with coriander as well.
No, I'm going to check if
they come from the same family. Coriander and parsley.
No parsley
are from the same family.
Coriander doesn't work.
No, nothing.
No, it doesn't want to work. Now, I'm just adding in a few more olives because it kind of looks good at the end. Because at least then you can say it's got olives and lemons.
Lovely.
So I got this.
Are these any special or Kalamata olives or Greek olives?
These are.
Yeah, read them.
Halkidiki.
Halkidiki, yeah.
Halkidiki olives with lemon and garlic. It pretty much has everything I have in it.
Stunning.
So
And it
I
looks
would
like
put,
this.
ideally, I would put parsley as well in it if I had it in the house. But of course, as you know,
Right.
this is such a well-constructed show that we just use whatever's in the larder. It's called Whatever's in the Larder Cooking Show with Manju and Indira. That's what it's called.
Okay.
And whatever isn't in the larder with Manju and Indira in the kitchen, also cooking show.
Has a nice ring to it, doesn't it?
I think so, yeah.
That title. Okay.
An empty, hollow sound like my kitchen.
And preheated oven?
Yes.
180?
Yes, 180. Now, don't ask me gas mark and all that.
350F, gas mark 4.
Okay, so I make this up in my other shows. I just go back gas mark 7 because I think everyone
Gas mark 7?
Well, people, whenever they say, well, you start off with gas mark 7 and go down to 5. So all of you people, just in case you don't know, start with gas mark 7. Pretend you know what you're talking about.
That's almost incineration level.
No, it's called cremating your chicken. Okay, so I'm going to do that.
Right, so do that. Preheated, preferably.
Oh, that's what I did about
you're
5 seconds ago. Yeah.
Okay. Nice. Sounds good.
Can't you tell I'm not the professional in this show?
I hope you can tell. That's all I can say. Because,
I'm the happy farming housewife here.
Farming.
Farming housewife. Okay, I'm the singer-songwriter.
Yeah,
That'll do.
amazing.
I'll stick with that one.
Yeah.
So
that was good.
We're just pretending to preheat the oven now. So
just shove it in.
I will.
Am I bossing you about in your own kitchen?
Not enough.
Not really?
Yeah, not enough.
I could be stricter.
Oh dear. What did I say? Okay, so now I'm going to plonk that in. I don't know if I'm being followed with the camera. If I'm not,
No.
This is me taking it away. Bye-bye.
It's all right. The weather's lovely today, by the way.
Okay.
Well, Indira's preheating the oven. Okay, that's done. And then what happens?
Well, in the meantime, I go and put some rice in here and hope that it'll cook on time. No,
and is it a
but that's
basmati
okay.
rice? Basmati rice?
I put basmati, I put tomatoes.
Ooh.
I put, oh dear.
What kind of tomatoes?
Pepper,
baby tomatoes? Any kind of tomatoes? Or
it's a very particular kind of tomato that you get, and it's in a tin.
sun-dried? What, tomato puree? What?
No.
Just chopped tomatoes?
Yes.
Yeah, those ones.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, that's cool. That's fine.
So I washed the basmati rice, I put a little olive oil in it, I chucked that in, I put a little salt in it, and if I had parsley, that would have gone in it. But as you all know, as I've said for the umpteenth time, because she's put me in a spot, I have no parsley.
What do you mean I put you on the spot?
Okay, so there you go. That's going to cook hopefully on time. If it doesn't, you don't eat rice with it. Okay?
That's fine.
Okay. So that's it.
Okay.
And then we wait for that to get ready, and then we sample it.
Lovely. Yeah.
Still waiting. Here you are. I've put a dash of Rishi Sunak.
Lovely.
Related to Rishi
No, it's
Sunak. Yes, it is.
And it's a Middle Eastern herb.
Oh, yeah, okay, that too.
Citrusy flavour. A lot of Middle Eastern dishes.
And this is a Middle Eastern za'atar as well. Not za'atar, sorry. Not any relation of any prime minister of any other country. So
sprinkled on.
Yeah. It just looks good and it smells good and it sounds rice.
Come on.
It sounds nice, rice. Yeah. I mean,
do you need help?
Nope. Sorted. Mm-hmm. And here is my
that looks lovely.
I know, right?
I got you with the tomatoes.
Yeah, I see.
In the centre.
Oh, sorry.
Lovely. Oh, no, that's fine. Okay.
Gee.
That's styling.
Oh, sorry.
Right.
So I have to put a few drops of some gunge on it to make it look professional, right? Professional gunge. That's me being stylish.
Okay. On the side? Or where do you normally put it?
No, I don't know. You're the chef. Okay.
But you're an artist. So artists.
It's
fine. It's
like
cool. It's lovely.
A melody.
Yeah.
I'm going with melody.
Okay,
oh God, she took away my.
I don't know. It just looks a bit lonely there, but it's fine. It's fine. We'll sort it out later.
So I'm going to put a.
Yeah, nice. I like it.
Nice
I like
right?
it. Yeah.
Okay. So now you're going to try that.
Yeah.
What about getting our guest from India to try it?
You could do.
Ooh, she just said cut. It's very, very hard. No, you go. Can I give you a
Right.
knife in case the chicken's heart is wrong?
Yeah, it is actually. No,
That's because you
fine.
made me wait so long, right? No, it's not. You liar.
Well, the citrusy flavors tenderize the meat, so it's fine.
Yeah, absolutely. They're going with that one. I don't know about you guys, but
Really nice. I love it.
the check's in the post. I owe you big time.
What's a check?
Oh, yeah, that's right. The money transfer.
So go on, name the dish again.
4 skinless breast of chicken in pickled lemon. And there's nothing strange about that name at all. I'm going to pour some of this on. There you go. Enjoy.
It's you.